Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. I continue with the homework. State 1.
What's your name?
My name is my name is Jessica Alexandra Chivata Uzcategui.
How do
Question
you
2.
spell your family name?
My family calls me as Jessica. My family calls me as Jessica.
Where are you from?
I am from Colombia, of the Cucuta city. I am from Colombia, of the Cucuta city.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
At this moment, I am studying, but I also work.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I would really like to learn about other cultures.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I like to spend my free time with my husband and my pet.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
I think I can improve my English by practicing speaking, listening, and reading a lot.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
It will be the ability to fully understand English. Thank you.